Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to talk about how to create our own custom image with help of a Docker file. Use that in a Tomcat and Java as a base container and deploy the sample.war file. And in addition to that, here we are trying to do that in a pushing and pulling from that in a Docker registry or library or hub.docker.com. So this is one of that in a real time example you'll be get it where you have to develop that in your Docker file, and you have to push that in images into that in a Docker registry, and with help of that registry or images like in operations team, IT team, or other like DevOps engineer, site reliability engineer, and other engineers will be pull that in images for deployment purpose. So all in all, you need a like one Docker file, which is we have. Then we have a the command, and after that you have to sign up into that in a hub.docker.com. If you have not signed up yet, so before doing that in this demo, just go and sign up into that, and create it and hub.docker.com account, and remember that in your ID. In my case, I have a AWS DevOps by Kumar, and you can see here I have used that in almost all command. Now, I'm going to copy that in a build command, and in that in a code it is already there. So I have a Docker file, sample file, and a step. So only Docker and sample file is needed, and I'll just do that in a paste. Now what will be happen? The build Docker hyphen t, and this is the tag name, and latest Tomcat 8 got created. Now if I'll go Docker images, here you can see AWS DevOps by command and slash Tomcat, and latest got created, and we are able to see that in the images. Now the image got created. Next step is that I have to log in into that registry server. So for that we have a command docker login and docker logout. So I'm doing the docker login. It will be check that in your user ID and password. So you have to provide that in your Docker Hub registry user ID and password. In my case, few minutes before I have just login, so it didn't ask me, and directly allowed to login. Now you can see login successful. Then we have a docker push command. As soon as I'll do that in this push, so what happened? Whatever image it is created, it is there in that in my local PC only, where my Tomcat is installed. It is not there in the registry, and you can see here nothing is there at the moment. As long as I'll be go and perform that in docker push, and this is my ID. So this will be unique. For in your case, you will be have your one ID and slash the name of the images, and both you have to build it. So you can see this name is matching over here, and now with help of that this command will be it's trying to push. Now here you can see upload operations is going on, pushing, right? It's not pulling. What we are doing, we are pushing from that in a local PC to that in a library, and in a few minutes you can see once this is done, and you will be able to see that in a hub.docker.com, and the ID will be there AWS DevOps by command slash Tomcat 8. It's all depend on that in your internet speed, how long it will be take. And here it is, here we go, and now I'll be go and refresh it. So you'll be able to see that in a one images, which is AWS DevOps by command and slash Tomcat 8, and it's a last push a few seconds ago, right? So that image got push. Now I can go and clear that in all images, and I can pull it. So now here we have to go to that in other images. Let's say 101. I'll clear that in whatever image it is there. Right? So for clearing it, we have to perform this command. If anything is running, then we have to docker ps, nothing is there, and docker images nothing is there now. So you can see in local nothing is there, but we got that in repository. So I'll just click on it, and here you can see we have a public view, right? If you want to push it, this is the command we have to use. If you want to use the public view, so you can see that in a public view, just copy this command and you can see docker pool and name of that. Now in my local nothing is there, docker images. Now I'm going to pull it. So what I'm doing, I'm pulling from that in a hub.docker.com or registry or library to my local. Now I started pulling, so it is going to pull down and store into that in a my local PC. And here you can see pulling or download is just started, and one by one it is going all layer, it will be downloaded in that in a system. Right. So pulling part is done. If I'll go and see that in images, you can see AWS DevOps by Kumar, Tomcat N, and latest is there. The next command, we pull it already. Then we can see the images. We are able to see. We can run the Docker container run. So the Docker container run only have advantage. We can put that in a name. So here we have a put the hyphen name, and then we are running it, and it's going to run on the 8081, which is the host port, and container port is the 8080. And let's see what is the output. Here we go, and if I'll go and just use that in IP address, and IP address of the my virtual machine is this one, and then we have a 8081, and it is working. And then if I'll do that in a sample, so we are able to see sample hello world applications. So in that in all, this is that what we are expecting for doing that in So I'll be go and do the docker ps and docker kill. Here we have a id, right? So id got killed. Now if I run it, it will be not, because it's deleted. So in this team demo, the target was there to build that in a image and push into that in a Docker registry and pull it. This is the way you can deploy that in your container into the multiple environment like development, QA, pre-productions, productions, and many more. Hopefully it's clear. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. Let me know in QA sessions. And thanks for watching.